Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you how coffee and milk will get rid of 20 years of blackness on your face and whiten the skin tone naturally, and will get you an amazing results from first use. You will notice that your skin is getting whiter in color and milky fair naturally without any blemishes, dark spots, pigmentation, or any kind of freckles, any kind of skin problem you do have. This magical remedy will work for you and will improve it naturally and will improve the skin complexion and will get you an amazing results from first use. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is dark coffee. We need to add 1 teaspoon, 1 big teaspoon like so. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour and mix them well. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. يعني كي تشافا الكاتا add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then my friends, we need to add 1 full teaspoon of milk powder, and milk powder is one ingredient that whiten the skin tone and remove any kind of blemishes, dark spots, black spots, pigmentation. It is super effective and super helpful in skin whitening and getting rid of all the skin related problems. And if you do have open pores, milk powder will get you rid of this. If you don't have milk powder, you can add just raw milk, natural milk. I prefer to add milk powder. After we prepare the powder like so, in a cream mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of this powder and restore it for later use. Restore it to use it every day before you sleep. So my friends, now add on this 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and you can use natural or market aloe vera gel. Both will get you the same results. I added around 1.5 teaspoon, and now we need to mix well all the ingredients. You will end up with this cream paste. Now apply it like so. Keep applying and massaging the skin for 5 minutes. Leave it to dry out completely. After 1 or 2 hours, it will be dried completely. Then rinse it with warm water. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It closes the larger open pores and will get you rid of blackheads and whiteheads naturally. It is super effective in getting rid of all the skin problems and get you baby looking skin, soft skin, and amazing glowing, and my friends, the result will amaze you. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.